This is the Salteo2. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're using hot dog worms. Here are the reels I'm using. So let's get to it. See if I can catch anything. Catfish number 1 off of the hot dog. Nice channel. Get a little view of him. Let's go throw him back in. Fixed catfish number 2 on the hot dog. Very easy to get the hook on this one, so right there. So let's take care of this guy, release him back. I'm literally fishing right there today. Pretty good day, a little bit of rain, but that's fine. Catfish number 3 on the hot dogs. Nice today, very nice. A little bit feisty. Let's take care of him. There's a good little shot. All right, well, this makes 4 channel cats today. Last one, easy hook to get out. So let's take care of him. And a nice size. There he is. Good morning, everybody. So I'm gonna roll this in with the other video. So if you're seeing this, that means I decided to put 2 videos into one. This is the lake I'm fishing at, Cameron Springs Lake. Let's see what I can catch today. Hope I can catch a good amount. But one way how to find out. Going after everything. There you go, got a nice largemouth bass. Right off this little dude right here. There he is. Came up and swallowed that bad boy. Let's return him back into the water. Look here, come a nice little panfish. That little crankbait. Pretty good, pretty good. Final results. Hot dogs executed. Only have 3 left. See a little spot here. I will give it a solid 4.5 out of 5. I've caught 6 cats out of here. 4 today in 1 hour.